Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today. So today's episode is going to be pretty good. We're going to be working on the interior a lot. We're mainly going to be inside the car all day. So we're going to be touching on the wiring harnesses, the interior such as the carpet, the seat backings, headliner, speakers, every little thing you can think of. Then we're going to start disassembling the center console as well, pulling all the computer stuff out, pulling all the automatic transmission stuff out. So it's going to be an adventure. Stay tuned. Boom! Like that, baby. It's done. Just in case you guys don't know, I have no battery in the car, so the key won't work and it won't go into neutral. There is a little hole right here. You can stick something. I'm gonna see if a screwdriver works. Down the hole. Yep. You can give it a little press and it moves. The more you know. All right, next up we are going to work on these kick panels. We get the back plate here. We're going to try to get everything off of the center console so we can just up and remove it, pull it straight out. That'll give us a good look at the BCM, the fuse box, and anything that's underneath the carpet between here and there, which I know there's quite a few things down there. So what we got going on? Lots of little wiring harnesses, like the emergency brake cable. But then you got some big ones down and through here. This was interesting. This was the 24 or 12 volt lighter source that came up here. They had drilled a hole in that and stuck one in it. The original location of this was back here. They moved it. I'm not quite sure why. it's going to go back in its home when it's all said and done. So yeah, next few minutes I'm going to go and just unhook all the wiring harnesses that I can here, and just moving forward. Got a feeling we're getting close to pulling that dashboard out. That's going to be a chore. Everything new, the whole experience of pulling a dashboard, I've never even thought about doing it. The farthest I've got into a dashboard is pulling these in the glove box out. Carpet out. I'm gonna focus on this dashboard. We got the glove box out, got the surround piece, the little trim piece for the radios out. Those are pretty easy. Actually, this whole dashboard's been fairly easy. You just gotta look up from the bottom and you'll see where all the screws were going. Pull those out. Now, I haven't been able to figure out, and I'll probably ask somebody online, but if you can get this top piece out without removing the glass. If you have to remove the glass, I may have to make concessions for the top of that. But yeah, may wrap it or something in place. It's got some cracks in it I was wanting to fix. And anyway, down here, once you get all this out, got good access, pretty much everything up and behind it there. So all that stuff that I was worried about not being able to reach should have pretty good reach of everything back in there, including the main harness, which I still can't show you, but it's up in there somewhere. Okay, moving on. Got some tea. It's hot out, but we're in shade. We're not over there in the sun where we were, so it's a lot better than it was. So little bit of what we got going on here. Found some little paver tiles or whatever, little stones, and yeah, so I set it out here, set the tools on it nice and neat. Here's a pile that we got amassed from today. It's a glove box, end plates, bottom pieces, and stereo housing. Plus, we got the carpet. Okay, so I may have fibbed on the wiring removal for right now. We're going to take the rear deck out. We're going to take these side plates off. That should give us access to the roof. We'll probably also need to pull these A-pillars out, but then we can get the headliner out and pull it down, because we've got to get the wires for, well, I guess it's just that and the brake lights. There's no sunroof in this like the red line, so that should be a little bit easier at least. Well guys, I think that's going to be it for today. We've amassed quite the pile of stuff here, and yeah, having an awful good time with it. How about y'all? Well guys, that's our show today. If you enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. We got a lot of work to do. I'm going to go ahead and label all these connections I've got off before I continue to make more and pull them in together, so we can keep order of all that. But stay tuned. Next time we're gonna do something. We'll figure it out then. Peace.